Hi everyone, welcome to the plant-based channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy, healthy and delicious plant-based recipes that I eat all the time as a plant-based nutritionist. We're going to get started with some overnight oats, which is one of my favorite breakfasts, and then we're gonna have a sushi bowl for lunch and finish off with a mouth-watering broccoli peanut noodle, and this has been one of my favorite meals forever. I'm super excited to share it with you. Let's start with our pink overnight oats. We start by making a pink milk by blending some frozen raspberries with soy milk. Frozen berries are a lot more budget-friendly than fresh ones and are usually available all year long, and I like to use soy milk because it contains 10 grams of protein per cup, which is higher than most plant milks. Then to a sealable container, we just combine 1 cup of oats, a third of a cup of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds with our milk, and give everything a good mix. Close the container and leave in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Then when you're ready to eat, simply give the oats a good stir and they're ready to serve. Today I added some soy yogurt, extra fresh berries that I had in the fridge, plus a couple of Brazil nuts, which covers my daily selenium needs, but feel free to add all your favorite toppings. If you haven't tried overnight oats, this is a great one to get you started, and we have many more recipes of overnight oats on this channel or on our website, including our really big hit, the carrot cake overnight oats. So if you've tried that one, please make sure to let me know. Now on to lunch. This sushi bowl is another really easy and delicious recipe, and it doesn't require much prep, but it ends up tasting amazing and is a real nutrient powerhouse. To get started, we're going to wash 1 cup of brown rice, add 1.5 cup of water and get it cooking on the stove while we prepare some tofu, which I'm just patting down to remove some of the moisture. And then I'm chopping it into bite-sized cubes. Then to a sealable container, add 2 tablespoons of tamari, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And we're going to marinate our tofu inside the container, so give it a good shake to coat, and then we're going to leave it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Now we're going to prepare some veggies. I like to use some fresh crunchy cucumbers, and I got some beautiful radish and some spring onions. To cook the tofu, I love to use my air fryer because it's easy and a little bit quicker. I bake them for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Now to build the bowl, just add 1 cup of cooked rice, our baked tofu, which is so golden and beautiful, some avocado, and I like to add some cut nori sheets, which are a great source of iodine on a plant-based diet and taste absolutely delicious. Then add some spring onion, pickled ginger, and top with a little bit of sesame seeds. And to finish it off, you can add a bit of hot sauce if you want some extra flavor and spices. I'm using one of my favorites, which is sriracha mayo. And that's it. How easy is that? What I really like about this one is that it contains 30 grams of protein, and combined with the fiber and healthy fat, it makes you really feel full and satisfied for the rest of the day. And now onto one of my all-time favorite dinner recipes, the broccoli peanut noodles. I've been making this one almost every year for the past 6 years that I've been vegan. We're going to start by rehydrating the shiitake mushrooms by letting them soak in boiling water for about half an hour. Then we're going to prepare the tofu by cutting it into bite-sized cubes and add it to a baking tray and into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then we're going to prepare all the veggies, starting by dicing some carrots. Then some broccoli, which I'm just chopping into bite-sized pieces. And a great little nutrition tip is that if you cut your broccoli 45 to 90 minutes before you cook it, it can help boost sulforaphane, which is a powerful antioxidant with many health benefits. Then we're slicing some red bell pepper and scallion or spring onions depending where you're from, and then just shredding about 2 cups of cabbage. And now onto our shiitake mushrooms. I love to use dry shiitake. They bring a delicious umami flavor and are a lot more affordable than fresh mushrooms. And hang on to that water because we're gonna use that later in the cooking process. Then we're going to prepare our sauce by adding 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of agave syrup, 2 tablespoons of tamari, 1 cup of soy milk, the juice of 1 lime, and blend until smooth. Now to a large pot on medium heat, I'm adding a teaspoon of sesame oil, the carrots and broccoli stems first for a couple of minutes, followed by the rest of the veggies for about 5 to 7 minutes to let them soften. You can use the water from the mushrooms to deglaze as needed. Now we're going to add our baked tofu, the cabbage, udon noodles along with the peanut butter sauce and give it a good stir so that it's thoroughly combined and let it cook for about 5 minutes until the cabbage has completely softened. Et voila, that's it! To serve, we can add another squeeze of lime, some more scallions, sesame seeds, and as a bonus tip, try adding some kimchi. Kimchi is an amazing fermented food which is fantastic for gut health, and I recommend including some fermented food like kimchi or sauerkraut on a daily basis. This recipe is also amazing to meal prep, and we can put any leftover into containers and then have lunch or dinner ready to go for the next few days. And there you go, thanks for watching. The recipes are also available on our website and in the pinned comment below. Please like and subscribe to see more content like this, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.